Before you choose your UPSC optional subject, answer me one question. Can any subject explain why you vote for someone, marry someone, fear someone, and also why you dream of becoming an IAS officer? One subject can, and that is sociology. UPSC does not reward students who remember only theories. It rewards students who understand the society properly. And once you understand the society, you will be able to analyze, write answers properly, and thereby gain more marks compared with other students. And this is why sociology should not be considered only as an optional subject. It helps you gain more marks in your ethics, essay, general studies, your interview, as well as your entire personality throughout your life. From Rakshan IAS Academy, I am starting my new online sociology batch, and if you want to learn sociology from the teacher who shows sociology from real life, join my classes. Admissions are open. Hurry up. Contact 90591 90571.